The construction of the COVID hospital was finalized for the place in ISBT. Later on, because of the distance and overall the area not being, I guess, within the reach of Tura town, so there was a change in location, and there was a decision that we will bring the place closer, and therefore the decision was changed. Then we realized that the numbers were going down at one point in time. When the numbers started going down, we decided that after investing 7 crores, if you're not able to see a legacy usage of the place, then the numbers or the amount that is going to be spent may not be able to kind of get the returns back in one way. So therefore, we decided that we will put up a COVID hospital, which could later on be converted into some other kind of infrastructure, maybe office space or a different kind of activity. So keeping that in mind, we brought the place closer. When this COVID cases started going up, we realized that we need to, in fact, move on this and break up the project. So now the decision has been made that we are going for a prefab structure, which will come down to less than half the cost that would have been incurred, that we will be able to save some of the funds also. And so now in the ISBT location, where initially we had decided, we have decided to go ahead with that location, and a prefab structure will come up. Hopefully, it should not take more than maybe 60 days to bring it up.